In this MyTime video, we're going to show you how you can use the additional information feature to sort your calls by all kinds of different ways. I've had requests with people to sort their calls by congregation because they might be a district or circuit overseer, by suburb because their city's probably just really big, by the day of the week that they call on the person, that maybe they've got a route that they go and talk to these people on. There's all kinds of different ways that people want to sort their data, and most people don't realize you can actually come up with your own way of sorting today in MyTime. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pick an example, like say for instance the circuit overseer with a congregation. This fits the same with like a suburb as well. So if we go to one of our calls and edit them, go to add additional information. This is where you can add any other information about this call, like maybe their phone number or their email, and if you click on those it'll call them or bring up an email to them, or additional notes that isn't attached to a particular return visit. But what we're going to do is make another brand new type in here. We're going to click edit, click on add custom information, and add a congregation. We're going to choose the type as string. Actually, multiple choice is a good choice here. Most people don't have multiple choice yet because I'm still developing that feature. Let's just pick string for right now. I'll have to change this video in the future. So now we've got this congregation type that's a string. That string is just a single line of text. We're going to move this congregation all the way up here to the information always shown. What this is going to do, it's going to make sure that every single one of our old calls and every single one of our new calls will have this congregation field in the additional information area of your call. So if we go back now to our call, we have a congregation here. In fact, if we go look at any of our other calls, there's a congregation that's not filled out. So all we have to do is go say edit congregation. I'm in the Huntsville West congregation, so I'm just going to put that in there and apply that to a couple of these calls. Let's give this other call a different congregation name. And what we can do is, and we haven't finished them all because I don't want to bore you to tears, we can go to the more area that'll show you all the other different views that you can see. And if we use this sorted by view, we can sort by many different things in that additional information area. We can sort by congregation, and if we sort by congregation, you can see that those two ones that I put in as Huntsville West are filtered here as Huntsville West. That one and another is down here, and then the ones that I haven't actually categorized, they're up here in an unknown. So you could do the same thing here as with your days of the week that you go on a call. You just have to make a additional information called route day, or maybe you want to separate your calls by suburb. Well, you can make an additional information called suburb, put it on every single call, and then sort by that suburb. So you got all kinds of different options for sorting things in MyTime.